Welcome. In this video, we are going to look at a new academics module. So we have introduced a new module called as academics, and in this video, we'll be particularly looking at the teacher side of it. So we have introduced a new tab called as lesson plan. So in lesson plan, teachers can enter the lesson plans for the upcoming lectures according to the timetable that is assigned to them. Similarly, teachers can fill the syllabus that is covered, and teachers can check the report and edit the report. So as I said, the functionality is that the teachers can enter the pre-planned lessons and complete the log accordingly. And similarly, at admin side, they'll be able to check the reports and track the completion of the lesson plans and syllabus. So let's take a look at it. So first, log in to your school's portal with your username and password. Okay. You can do this with your Chrome browsers in your phone as well. So there's a new tab called as Academics. So you'll be able to see a new tab called as Academics. So in Academics, the first tab again is the lesson plan. So lesson plan, like I said, as you're going to enter this pre-planned, you just have to select a date for which the lesson plan you're going to enter for. Let's say for 29th, and submit. Now automatically the timetable that is assigned for you for that particular day will be displayed over here, and you'll be able to fill in your lesson name. Now for example, let's say can enter the topics, subtopics and learning objectives, dictation, okay, introduction, explanation, and log is complete. So when you create the lesson plan, by default you can click on the log as completed and click on submit. Now if you are entering all the lesson plans at the same time, there's also a tab called as submit all. Okay, so now this was about lesson plan. Now similarly, let's say on that particular day, if you have completed the lesson plan accordingly, then you don't have to update the log. But let's say you are not able to complete that lesson plan. So you can select the report, select the date filters, and you'll be able to see all the lesson plans that you have entered. Now let's say this particular lesson plan you were not able to complete on that day. So there's an option in the report called as edit, and you can edit the lesson plan if you want to make any changes, or if you're not able to complete it, you can click on incomplete and also write the reason and click on the correct option. So this plan basically is editable, and similarly you can take a printout of that as well. So you'll be able to take a printout of your lesson plans as well. So this was about our lesson plan. We also have a tab called as syllabus completion status, in which you'll be able to select a date. Now this date can be decided by the administration, that on this particular date you have to fill out your syllabus, or it can be dependent upon the teacher as well. Select the date, select the class and division, the subject. Now over here we have given two options, that is languages or other. If it's a language, you have an option of what was the textbook and reading that you have taken, grammar, and similarly the composition or creative writing. If it's an other language, you simply have to enter the lesson, chapter or the poem that were completed in that particular day. So let's say if it's a language, then reading of lesson 1 and 2. Now this is just sample. So that the principal ma'am or admin will be able to see how much portion that you have completed based on the syllabus completion and your lesson plan. So this was all about our academics module. Thank you.